Honorable Chairperson, Directors, respected parents, principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Himanshu Kumar. I am very happy and I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of drug addiction. Drug addiction, also known as the substance dependence, can be defined as drug user's compulsive need so that he or she can function normally. When such substances are not available to the addict, then he or she is said to be suffering from the substance withdrawal. Drug addiction has emerged as one of the major social problems in most of the developed or developing countries and undoubtedly proves to be a major hindrance in the proper growth and development of individual, society, nation and the world as a whole. India is a developing country and already possesses other social problems like poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, etc. The problem of drug addiction is like a cherry on the cake of all these problems. Some drug addicts can afford purchasing expensive drugs, but most of them have to indulge in activity like theft even at their own usage. They are compelled for commit this crime because of the reason they are compelled for the fulfillment of their own desire. An individual can turn into a drug addict for a number of reasons. First, peer pressure. At times, an individual can start taking drugs because of only his or her friends have to indulge in activities. But once they are stuck into the mud of drug addiction, it becomes hard by each passing day to get rid of the addiction. Second, getting rid of stress. When an individual is high on a drug, he or she is in a state where they cannot remember anything. He or she think that they get rid of stress by indulging into such activity in their life. And like this, it is only later that they realize the bitter truth. They cannot get rid of stress or anxiety with the help of drug. Third, style statement. Teenagers considered smoking, drinking, drug addiction as a style statement. It is only when they are caught in a cobweb how impossible it is to get out of it. Teenagers need to understand the fact that indulging into the habit of drug addiction not only destroy their mind and body but also destroy their bright future. There are several factors such as rapid urbanization and industrialization given rise to a new kind of attitude or permissiveness and individualism among the people today. People today stay as nuclear family and in most of the cases both the parents are working. As a result, they are less tolerant. They are less tolerant, which as compared to the past generation. Individuals are far from social life and the stress of modern life is way too much for a few of them to handle. The result is in involvement in activities such as smoking, drinking, drug addiction, etc. When a child is not satisfied at home, he or she is deprived from love, care and affection from the family. The consequence will be a feeling on the part of that individual in order to seek satisfaction. What is painful is the fact that a drug addict is not allowed to take drug. He or she suffer from depression, vomiting, uncontrollable and painful convulsion apart from other maladies. It is an understood fact that drug addiction destroying the root of development of individual and the nation as a whole, and several measures need to adopted to control this destructive habit among the addict. Creating awareness on a national scale is the most significant step. Some individuals end up becoming drug addict, thus running their life forever. The Indian government has formulated a number of campaigns and success has been achieved in this regard. Individual whose friends or family members suffer from habit of drug addiction should openly approach the rehabilitation centers and institutions for treating the addict. Drug addiction should emerge as a disease instead of a crime by friends or family members of the addict. The cure of the habit, he or she might willingly to choose get rid of the habit by joining the rehabilitation centers. They just need a helping hand and we give all support for all these addicts back to a normal life as they long for. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जोरदार तालियां।